Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English by Apna Government Job channel. So finally for NILET recruitment 2020, which is for STQC organization, full notification is out now and form is also started. So after video you can fill the form. Okay, now for the 41 vacancies, as we already discussed, let's see now vacancy breakdown, syllabus and all these things in detail. So let's start our video now. So first thing, important points are same as I told earlier. Okay, you know already if you watch video number 1. Then position and roles, this thing also we discussed, right? Now this is important that for scientist B, MSc, BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MC people can apply if you do your degree from these branches, any of this. Okay, any one of this, so all you can apply. So the change is that for scientist B, instrumentation can also apply. Okay, those who complete in power electronics, those who apply computer and network security and information technology can also apply. Okay, so this is the change. And then next change in your STA, that is if you complete your MSc, BE, BTech, MS, MCA, then you can apply for scientific technical assistant post. Okay, and if you complete your degree in these branches or discipline, then yes, you can apply. Here the surprising fact is that electrical students are also eligible. Okay, and information technology IT students eligible for both the posts. And yes, you can fill the form for both the posts, just obviously you have to pay separately. Okay, so likewise just see this and whether you are eligible or not for both the posts or any one post, and then properly fill the form. Now this is very important that first time they give us that vacancy breakdown. Okay, earlier they didn't give, but this time they give, and it is very nice thing that something is improving, right? So let's see now for CS only. General 2 vacancies, scientist B. Okay, we are looking for scientist B. For EWS 0, OBC 1. Okay, just that's it. For IT 1 for electronics 3 Okay, so this is the vacancy for scientist B. Now if you look at the technical assistant, okay, that is 31 vacancies, total are 49 vacancies. So for your CS branch 6 vacancies, EWS 1, SC 1, OBC 2, your IT 5, 1, 3. Okay, electronics 13 vacancies are there, so you guys have a good opportunity for this NILET, EWS 1, SC1 and OBC 5. Okay, so this is all about your vacancy breakdown, which is very important for you. And also PWD you can see for OH category 1, and here for HH and LV 1. Okay, so this is the total vacancy breakdown for your scientist B and technical assistant post. Form is started as I told earlier, in the description link is there, just go and fill the form for both the post or any one post. About exam date they will notify, and before that I will notify. Okay, so ending date is 31st December. Next is your fees. So for general OBC EWS 800 rupees, for SC ST PWD women 400 rupees fee. Your cutoff date for your qualification for your age limit is 31st of December. Okay, so before 31st December, let me tell you age limit. Age limit for general is 30 years, for OBC it is 33 years, and for ST ST it is 35 years. Okay, so you should have this age limit before this only. Okay, now the important thing is that what is the exam pattern. So you have total duration of 3 hours. Okay, total marks 120 marks, negative marking is there, yes, 0.25. Language paper you have only in English language. For you have technical syllabus branch wise. Okay, and the main important thing is that for each branches there is different syllabus. So each branch, each paper is there for this NILET STQC, not like NILET NIC. Okay, so you have individual paper for your branch, don't worry about that. Now in the detail I will explain you the syllabus, and we will detail the strategy video regarding that. So this is the overall pattern, that your 120 questions divided like that. Okay, so important thing is that branch wise paper is there now, not like NIC. This is the most important thing which I am highlighting again. So yes, playlist is created for, just save this playlist, and all the NILET related videos you will get in that playlist only. Okay, just wait for strategy video now, and those who are new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel. And also in the strategy video we will discuss how you should prepare for this exam and how should you crack this. Okay, all the best.